Hi friends, welcome to Civil Architecture tutorial channel. Today we discuss the different types of steel bars. That is, the first one is, like we know, the mild steel bar. Mild steel bars are the steel bars that we used uh, some years back. So at that time, that was the only thing available. It is not ribbed, but it will be plain and round. That mild steel bar will be plain and round, and the strength of that steel bar will be very less when comparing to the other steel bars. And this is comes in the dia of 6 mm to 50 mm. So the uses of this mild steel bar is in contraction joint, expansion joint, and it can be used in runways and also in column spirals, and it can be easily cut and mold because it is of less strength. But we are not using it much because the bondage between the mild steel and the concrete is very less, because since it is not ribbed, that's the main thing. So this is about mild steel bar. This is the straight steel bar you can see, that is called mild steel bar. Then the second one is HYSD, that is high yield strength and deformed steel bar. So these are the bars which are also called cold twisted bars. This is actually a ribbed bar. That means it has got a good bondage between the concrete, and also it has got high bending capacity, welding capacity, and high tensile strength, and it has got satisfactory malleability too. So HYSD, the high yield deformed, high yield strength and deformed cold twisted bar, is comparatively higher in strength than when compared to mild steel bar. So that is the second HYSD bar. The third one comes that TMT, thermomechanically treated bar, which we are using widely in India. And this bar is also called this rib bar. This is also a rib bar, and this is the process is in such a way that at high temperature it is suddenly cooled. So what happens is that, see, this is the rib bar. This is a section of that bar. Inside core will be comparatively softer than the outside core. The outside core will be harder because it is suddenly cooled. So because of that property, the malleability or ductility part of this steel bar is very high when comparing to HYSD bar. Okay, and it has got more corrosion resistant and also more strength and more weldability and durability too. So it is more efficient in earthquake areas, and also is resistant to thermal and fire problems. So it will stand more when there is a fire breakout, and it will stand more when there is an earthquake also happens, and it is more economical too. So because of these things, TMT bar, thermomechanical treated bar, is widely used in India, and this is far superior than HYSD bar, cold twisted bar. Okay. Then the fourth one is TMX or Thermax bar. Thermax bar is actually a German technology based bar, while TMT bar is a Belgium technology based bar. That is called Temcore technology. TMT is Temcore technology, and TMX is Thermax technology, which is on German based. So this TMX bar contain very less carbon, and the ductility, weldability, bendability, and the ribs in this TMX bar will be more than TMT bars, and it is better in heat and fire resistance, and it has got more life than TMT bar. So that's why the TMX bar is widely used throughout the world. It's around 60% of the usage in the whole world. If you are seeing in the global way, the bar they are using is TMX bar, but its use is limited to 1% in India. So that's regarding the TMX bar. So again I am telling, TMT is thermomechanical treated, which is based upon the Belgium technology, that is Temcore technology, and the Thermax technology is German technology, and that is for TMX bar. So the better strength, which one has got more, that is TMX bar when comparing to TMT bar. Then comes the corrosion resistant steel, CRS, corrosion resistant steel. That is, in that steel we are adding more copper and chromium, so that it becomes more corrosion resistant to corrosion. Usually it is being used in footings where there is high chance of water content, so that the corrosion also will have high chance there. So but we are not using it much, but even if it is using it in the footing area only, that is CRS, corrosion resistant steel. And then comes SD, super ductility bar. So SD means or super ductility bar, where the ductility part, that means especially it is used in earthquake prone areas. It is not widely used in India, but where the earthquake prone is very much, they are using SD bars, because it absorbs more energy when there's an earthquake happens, and the time that is getting for evacuation purpose in that particular building will be high when we are using super ductility bar, because it will fail only after some time, because the energy absorption will be high. That only for that area they are using super ductile steel bar. Then comes the Tor steel, which we always hear about. Tor steel, that is called Torstech Steel Corporation, or it is the same as HYSD bar. It has got the same properties of HYSD bar. Its name is Tor steel because of Torstech Steel Corporation. It is also a cold twisted bar. So these are the 7 types of steel bar we discussed today. Again, I am telling: mild steel bar, HYSD, TMT, TMX, CRS, SD, and Tor steel. Hope you understand today's subject. I'll come with a new video with another subject. Till then, goodbye. Please subscribe, share, and like my channel. Thank you very much.